Welcome to my channel Comp Connection. Today we will discuss the if function in Excel. The if function performs a simple logical test, true or false, and returns one value if a result is true and another value if a result is false. The general syntax of if is equal to if logical test value if true, value if false. I am explaining with an example. From this table, we want that each student is assigned pass or fail in the remarks column automatically on condition. If a student obtains 40% or more than 40%, he will declare pass, else fail. This is the condition. Look at this formula. Before start, must remember that each formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. This is the if function keyword. This is our condition. This is the condition. Here, if you see the marks of the first student, the cell reference is C5. If C5 greater than or equal to 40%, 40, now it checks the value. If the value is true, then declare pass. If the value is false, then declare fail. We put the formula here in cell D5. Okay, we can write this formula in other way too, that is less than 40. The same logic will be appear, but if a student gets less than 40% marks, then he will declare fail, otherwise he will declare pass. So in D5 we write the formula is equal to if C5 less than 40, then fail, otherwise pass. Now it checks the value. Here the student gets more than 40% marks. So when we press enter button from our keyboard, then in remarks column it comes pass. The formula of the percentage is equal to total marks divided by 700. 700 the examination was 700 and into 100. 100 means full marks of each subject. So therefore is equal to total marks of the student divided by 700. It is better to close it with a parenthesis star 100. Now press enter. Now double click the fill handle. Here we calculate whether a student will be declared pass or fail. For this we maintain this condition. If a student gets 40% or more than 40% marks, then he will declare pass, otherwise fail. Is equal to if, double click here, percentage of marks greater than or equal to 40, comma, within inverted comma, pass, close the inverted comma, start inverted comma, else means fail, comma, enter here, result appears. Double click. The following operators can be used within the logical test argument of the if function. Not equal to this sign, greater than or equal to this sign, greater than this sign, less than or equal to this sign, less than sign, equal to sign. Now we explain if function by a flowchart to understand better. This is the decision box. The Excel checks the condition in a flowchart. This box is usually called diamond box, and here two options, yes and no. If yes means if the condition, if the value satisfy the condition, then it checks the value. Yes means checks the value and the output will comes pass. If no, it checks the value, it is less than 40%, so output will comes fail. This is for today. Stay tuned until my next video, which I will upload shortly. Until then, goodbye and thank you.